If you're experiencing login issues with your Paysafecard account, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions or try using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Paysafecard customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.